New tonight, an Attleboro man is sentenced to life in prison after changing his plea in a more than 2-year-old murder case.
An 80-year-old woman was found dead in her home that was set on fire. NBC 10's Aaron Coogan is live at Fall River Superior Court with what that man is now admitting to. Aaron.
Yeah, well, guys, as you mentioned, 44-year-old Adam Rollins sentenced to life without the possibility of parole for killing Judith Henriques. He pleaded guilty to murder in the first degree, as well as burglary and arson. However, previous assault with the intent to rape charges were dropped as a condition of the plea.
Adam Rollins on indictment number 2373 CR 0080-1. This indictment charging you with murder in the first degree. How do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
In a rather unusual turn of events,
it's a rare conclusion. I want everybody to understand that. The plea to first-degree murder. I recall one other case probably 15 years ago in this county.
44-year-old Adam Rollins of Attleboro enters a change of plea for his role in a 2022 murder case. Standing before a judge in a tightly packed courtroom, Rollins admitted to killing 80-year-old Judith Henriques in her home, stealing more than $1,200 worth of her jewelry, and setting her house on fire. Rollins was no strangers to Henriques' home or the family.
The Henriques and Rollins families are well known to each other. One of Ms. Henriques' daughters is married to the defendant's cousin. The defendant's brother is good friends and business partners with Ms. Henriques' son.
And was said to have premeditated the attack to fulfill sexual desires. Newly released evidence reveals he had been stalking the 80-year-old for several weeks.
It's not exactly clear how many times Adam Rollins was on our mother's property prior to November 17th. But what we do know is that he was there on October 28th, at which time he broke a small basement window while apparently attempting to look inside of a bathroom window.
More details presented in court today, including autopsy results for Henriques, show her cause of death, trauma to the head and neck. DNA testing on a pair of size 10 sneakers and empty nip bottles found scattered around the property, as well as several pieces of Mrs. Henriques' jewelry found dumped in a bush with his debit card, connect Rollins to the murder. In a brief address to the victim's family,
I just want everybody to know that I'm truly sorry for what I did.
Now Rollins is expected back in court later this month to discuss a motion to seal his indictment. We're live in Fall River. Aaron Coogan, NBC 10 News.